YouTube channel, and thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I am so excited. I'm raising the roof. This is my YouTube anniversary. And this month, I'm going to be talking about how to find a job. First of all, what you want to do is to pray to God to help you find a job that will allow you to balance work and life. And remember what Jesus tells us. Keep on seeking and you will find. Keep on asking and it will be given to you. And you want to utilize career assessment tools. Career assessment tests are available online and can help identify your strength, interests, and suitable career path. Look for these career assessments by searching on the internet or consulting career advisor. Prepare a professional portfolio. A professional portfolio showcases your qualifications and work history. You can purchase a binder or sheet protectors from my discount store to organize your documents. Include copies of your resume, any awards you received, and certificates of achievement relevant to your career goal. And attend a career fair where you will only benefit for a chance of a change of environment. You get some fresh air just by leaving your house. But also have the opportunity to connect with various employers. Bring multiple copies of your resume and your portfolio to distribute to potential employees. And you can even get an on-the-spot interview and increase your chances of finding a job that suits your needs. And thank you for watching, and have confidence in yourself and believe in yourself because you can find that job.